Hello everyone, this is Zubair Ahmad Hashimi from MTA Master Technology Academy. I really appreciate for joining this lesson. Let's start. As I covered before the main word, let's come to the cases. The second main purpose of computers are the case of that. We have the form factor, which we had before about the main word. We have running small form factor. You can use the mini ITX members for those cases, which are SFF. I mean small form factor. We have mini tower for mini ATX, and these are for ITX purpose. These are all the pieces which you are using are for general purpose. But M tower or mid tower ATXs belongs to those members which is covering the ATX and mean advanced technology extended. These members, this case is a little bit larger and can build a mainboard which is belongs to the ATX part, as well as the full tower ATX. I mean we have the extended one, the large one. Mostly use this one for example for workstation, and you can have it I mean different form factors and different cases in order to manage the component of our computer. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.